Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. This is my first video for the year 2024. Once again, wishing you all a very happy and a prosperous new year. I have already uploaded my detailed analysis for both the market indexes, that is DFM and ADX. Just in case if you have missed it, link will appear right at the top. Watch that video, it will help you to understand overall direction of the market. Both the markets are positive, but please select your stocks carefully. There is no point buying a stock that is declining just because it's cheaper, you will block your capital. Invest in a stock that is trending up so that you can get capital gains. And yes, if you want my stock selections with entries and exits, then you may join my YouTube membership. Link is in the description box. I will start with Emirates NBD Bank. Strong rally is seen from 15.75. It hit 18.00 and from here we are seeing correction phase. Something important to notice here is this fall to the downside is exactly 50% of this rally to the upside. In other words, Emirates NBD Bank have corrected itself by 50%. And right from 16.80 area we are seeing slowly and steadily it's trying to climb up. Next area of resistance is at 17.50. Once this resistance is taken out, it will try to visit 18.00. Overall, Emirates NBD Bank is still in an uptrend. Dubai Islamic Bank or DIB. If you are following my analysis regularly, I have been mentioning about this chart pattern and we were expecting a breakout. Right at the breakout, I had recommended this stock to my YouTube members. We saw a strong momentum. Target was 5.75. It's already hit. For now, it's just trying to take pause near the resistance. This is another indication that DIB wants to go higher. Next area of resistance is 5.85 and then 5.95 respectively. Just in case if it breaks below 5.65, then there are good chances it may come down to revisit 5.55. DIC, that is Dubai Investment Company, we saw from 2.55 area strong selling pressure till about 2.15 and from here it's just going sideways. For now, nothing interesting till we see a candle close about 2.40. As there are chances it may hit the resistance, come down again, so there is no point getting trapped right into this zone. Strong support at 2.20. Al Ansari Exchange, nothing interesting for now. It's in a strong downtrend. There is no sign of relief. It's just going sideways. We never know. It can even go lower from here. This is because we have a price action. Previously, we saw price went sideways. It broke to the downside. It hit the same resistance. Again, we saw selling pressure coming in. So we cannot trust this stock because there are times it makes a big move and then very next day it opens with a gap down. So those who purchased right at the top are trapped. It goes lower, creating more losses. So this stock can be easily avoided. Emaar Properties made very good move. I hope you guys made money. After this symmetrical triangle pattern, right at the breakout, I had recommended this stock to my members and our target is already achieved at 5.60. Next target was at 5.90. Even that is achieved right into the support zone. I had made a video that this stock can make big move. Just in case if you have missed that video, I will provide the link right at the top. Do watch it why I had recommended this stock right into this zone. And from here we are seeing a strong rally to the upside. Last closing is above 7.90, but there are chances it may want to come down to retest support area that is at 7.80. For now, fresh buying should be planned above 8.00. Overall, Emaar Properties in a strong uptrend. Diva tried very hard to break this resistance area that is at 2.55. Previously, I had recommended any buying should be above this zone. We want to see a candle close above 2.55 to consider resistance is taken out. Next area of hurdle was at 2.60. We did not see any candle close above 2.55, so there is no question of entries because it hit the resistance, came down. For now is just going sideways. There are good chances it can break this one and come down to retest 2.40. Strong resistance for now at 2.55 and obviously major hurdle at 2.55. Salik for now is under selling pressure. Resistance is not yet taken out and this is the resistance area that I have been mentioning again and again. This is a tough nut to crack that is between 3.20 to 3.25. Check this out. Previously when it was trying to break this resistance, we saw selling pressure coming in and then from here this was the second attempt. Again it got rejected. This is the third attempt. Something important to notice here is whenever it drops down, we can see immediate buying pressure coming in. Also, lows are now shifting up. It means buyers are gathering momentum. Till the time SALIC is above this trend line, it's considered safe. Last closing is at 3.11. There are chances it can come down to retest this trend line and then maybe it will try to break this resistance of 3.25 area. For now, SALIC is trading within this tight range, so expect a breakout very soon. I hope it's to the upside. If you are interested in SALIC, then keep a close watch how it performs right into this zone. Empower, still nothing interesting. I had previously mentioned it's just forming this round shape, nothing interesting. This is looking bearish to me. Once it breaks 1.60, there are good chances it will go very low. Buyers have to show some strength. We want to see a closing above 1.75 so that we can avoid this bearish chart pattern. For now, Empower is in a no trading zone. Yes, Tcom is trying hard. Slowly and steadily we are seeing upside momentum. As we can see, at times it makes big moves, but then very next day we are seeing a gap down opening. For example, this is a strong move from 2.60. It reached till about 2.85, but very next day we can see it opened at 2.70. So those who bought right at the top are trapped. Their capital is blocked obviously. Now again it's trying to climb up. It would be very interesting to see how it performs at 2.80 because that is the resistance area and this is the place where bag holders are waiting. The moment it hits 2.80, those who purchase here obviously were in losses. So when it hits, we will see some selling pressure coming in. If you are someone who like to hold the stocks for long term, then I think TCOM is one for you because slowly and steadily it makes the move to the upside. Daily gap down or gap up should not be a problem for you because you are a long-term investor. Union Corp performed very well as per the analysis. This was the range Union Corp was trading in. This was the tight range, lower range at 2.30, upper range at 2.40 area. I had mentioned once we see a breakout of this range, we will see upside momentum. This was the place where it made a breakout, went sideways again, and now slowly and steadily it's climbing up. This is the problem with Union Corp. It makes a big move, opens with a gap down. Sometimes it goes down, then it opens with a gap up. So again, if you are someone who like to invest in a stock and hold it for 6 months to 1 year, then Union Corp is good stock because it gives out dividends as well. Dubai Taxi Company is under selling pressure after the listing. It could not sustain about 2.20. It has revisited 2.11 again. We are seeing all red candles for more than a week and now it's just taking a pause near this area. Still, this cannot be trusted. It's just a dodgy candle. For it to be safe, we want to see a closing above 2.16. As there are chances when it hits the resistance, it can again go down to make a new low. It can even break 2.11. Once it breaks 2.18, some quantities can be added here. And then major hurdle is at 2.20. Once we see a closing above this, then definitely DTC will climb higher. Nothing interesting in Talim. After this strong move to the upside, it could not sustain the gains. We are seeing selling pressure coming in. It's been opening with gap downs and we are also seeing it's just going sideways. For now, there are good chances it can come down to revisit 3.75. I would consider this positive once we see a candle close above 4.00. I would not like to rush to buy at the current zone because there are chances it may hit the resistance and come down. So no point blocking the capital. Let's wait for a closing above 4.00 so that at least when it's trending up, we can gain some profits. DR performed very well and this is the breakout that I have been talking about. Right into the resistance zone. Whenever it was trying to hit, we saw selling pressure coming in. This was the second attempt and then what happened? It just went sideways. So many attempts were made here and then finally we saw a breakout. This was also one of the stock that I had recommended to my YouTube members. For now we can see last candle is red but still this is positive. There are chances if it opens with a gap up or flat opening it will try to reach 0.700, that is psychological and technical resistance area. Overall, DR is still in an uptrend. Union Properties is trying hard even after the positive news. We did not see any big moves. Yes, it broke the resistance of 0.290. For the last 3 days, we are seeing it's just going sideways. This is a good indication that bulls are holding right into this zone. And from here, there are very good chances it can make a move to the upside. Strong area of resistance is at 0.310. On the negative side, if we see a candle close below 0.280, then there are chances we may even see 0.270. It can even come down till about 0.250. Air Arabia performed very well. I had uploaded a video about this one right at the breakout. It was for open public. You can watch it right here through this link. And for now, if you have already purchased Air Arabia at the breakout or at the support, then your next area of resistance is very near. You are almost about to hit the target, that is at 2.85 and then 2.88. Mind you, rally have started from 2.65. Bulls are just buying. There is no pause or profit booking coming in. So there are good chances once it hits the resistance, it will try to take a pause and then maybe we can see upside momentum again. Air Arabia for now is very positive. Gulf Financial House or GFH still struggling even after the company announced that they are buying back the shares. Nothing interesting, is just going sideways. Price is below 1 dirhams. As of now, it's just making this round formation. If it breaks 0.880, then there are chances it can even come down till about 0.850. To be very honest, I'm a bit surprised. This company is very strong fundamentally. They are generating good revenues, they are making good profits. Still, their stock is below 1 dirham. I would consider this stock bullish only when it breaks 0.950. For now, this can be easily avoided. DFM is still holding right into the support zone. There is no sign of worry. There are good chances it can continue its upside momentum. Our long weighted target is at 1.50. Hopefully, it should hit very soon. Strong area of support at 1.35. After the strong rally to the upside, we are seeing some correction phase, but this is looking good as we are seeing contraction of volatility. There are good chances it can break to the upside and go higher. If it breaks 1.37, then it can revisit the support area. Gulf navigation, after so much of struggle, finally we can see a breakout of 7.30. There are good chances if it spends some time here, then it can revisit 7.50 and then it can even go higher from here. Strong support at 7.20. IMAR development is looking very good to me. For now, we can see sideways momentum right near the resistance, that is at 7.20. Let me highlight 6.60 is support area, and from here we saw rally to the upside. Immediate resistance was at 6.90, that was taken out, and now it's gearing up for a big move again. Resistance area between 7.47 to 7.49. Once this is taken out, we can also see 7.60. Overall, IMAR development is positive. Ajman Bank is also looking very interesting to me. I had uploaded my detailed analysis on this stock. Please watch it. Link is right at the top. Just to give you a heads up, this is the support area at 2.00 and this is the range that it has established for so many weeks. We saw a breakout, same like Union Corp, and now I'm expecting upside momentum. So till the time it's above 2.05, we can expect a new move. Once we see a red candle below this area, then it can come down to revisit 2.00. Stock this one very closely. There are chances it will make a move. Amlak is still struggling, but there are no signs that bears are here. Why do I say this? This area is resistance, that is at 0.820. We are not seeing any deeper correction. In fact, bulls are bouncing back. They are trying to break this resistance again. So this was the second attempt and now it's just going sideways for so many days. This is an indication that yes, bulls are present in this zone. Even after this red candle, we should have seen continuous selling pressure. On the contrary, we saw buying pressure coming in. Once it breaks this area, that is 0.820 to 0.825, then there are good chances it will rally till about 0.8850 and 0.900. That is the next strong hurdle. So for now, keep a close watch on Amlak as well. There is potential in this stock. So guys, this was a quick recap on Dubai financial market stocks. In case if I have missed your stock, then please comment below and let me know. And yes, please do not forget to support this channel. If this video was helpful, then there is no harm. Drop a like. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.